When quitting XAMPP, the following error may occur. This error is sometimes called the XAMPP EAccessViolation Error. Even when you click OK, another pop-up error box will appear. And it seems that there is nothing you can do about it. The first step in fixing this is to stop XAMPP. Right-click on the taskbar. Click Task Manager. Wait for XAMPP control.exe to appear. Right-click on it and click End Task. The warning message will disappear. So you can now close the frame. Now we need to change the XAMPP properties. Click on the File Explorer. Click on your PC or equivalent. Open the C drive or equivalent. Then open the XAMPP folder. And scroll down to xampcontrol.exe. Right-click it and open Properties. Click the Compatibility tab. And check the Run this program as an administrator box. Then click Apply and OK. Close the File Explorer box. And now restart XAMPP. Restart XAMPP and then quit XAMPP. To test if the issue has been fixed. Hopefully it has been fixed. Thank you for your time.